Hello everyone. Just a few months ago, Devansh, Karthik, and I we participated in our first ever climbing competition. And during this whole competition, we had so much fun. We got to meet so many climbers. We made so much progress because of the climbers around us that we wanted to do something similar for our home climbing gym. And so we did that with one more friend of ours. This is how it went. For qualification round, climbers had 21 total routes to complete. Each climber got this sheet, and yeah, so these 21 routes were divided in 5 different categories. You got points for each route. The easiest route you got 1 point, the toughest route you got 10 points. These tags you see at the start of each hole, that green one, there is a pink one right there, that indicated the difficulty, and it matched with the sheet that we had given to each climber. So you just had to send your climbs and record your own progress, and the top 4 climbers made it to the finals.
रूट का पार्ट नहीं है, उसमें कुछ डाउट किसी को नहीं? सो अभी आप वार्म अप कर लो चाहिए तो, बट यू गाइस कैन बेसिकली स्टार्ट क्लाइंबिंग, एंड आपका जैसे जैसे हो रहा है प्रोग्रेस आप इस पे बस मार्क करते रहो. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट. चलो. नो सिद्धार्थ. Nice, Nirvan. Come on, Ivan. Yes, come on. Yep. Come on. Match. Easy. Nice, Ivan. Chalo, बैठो right foot पे. Very nice. Easy. Come on, Vidhi. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yep. Right foot आगे. Match. And right hand. Nice. Come on. Easy. Yeah. Come on. Nice, uncle. Come on, Ash. Come on, uncle. Chalo. Yup, easy. Left foot ऊपर. आप करोगे वो, ये ब्लू वाला. कहाँ है रिदान? देखो वो करेगा. नाइस. लेफ्ट फुट अप है ऊपर. लेफ्ट राइट नी लेफ्ट. हाँ यस. Yes. Chalo. Nice, Arida. हाँ चलो नाइस 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 come on wait come on Sprua yes nice चलो easy strong आने दो लेफ्ट फुट आने दो come on yep nice Sprua come on very nice
Nice one. Smooth. आराम से bro, right नीचे.
nice come on come on Arshit
Nice, come on, Ale.
चलो
Nice one.
हाँ slowly come on
Ale.
no yeah nice हाँ बराबर है come on चलो right hand top पे pull in pull come on Nanduda yeah come on come on smooth come on slowly yes और आगे हर्ष और आगे हाँ चलो बराबर है चलो यस यस ऊपर से yes come on right foot close हाँ right foot खालचे होल्ड होती आणि लेफ्ट लेग वरती येईल हाँ चलो last hold come on easy come on foot switch and back nice
Nice one, Vedant.
Yes.
Nice.
For finals, we had created two different routes for finalists. This was the first one, and this was the second one. These routes were created from holes that already existed on the wall. So during the break, Devansh and Karthik marked those holes with tape, while Veeraj and I tallied the scores from qualification round for all 21 participants, so we could figure out, who made it to the finals.
So now these guys will compete. ये जो देख रहे हो आप टेप लगे हुए रूट्स हैं, those are two routes for finalists. अभी उनको हम लोग एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कैसे करना है वगैरह, बट दे विल कम्पीट फॉर दोज टू रूट्स एंड उसमें से जो जीतेगा उनको प्राइज़ मिलेगा, जो नहीं जीतेगा उनको भी प्राइज़ मिलेगा. सो स्टे.
For most participants, including two of the finalists, this was their first ever climbing competition. So I had to explain them all the rules for finals, like the starting point, what is zone, how many points you get after zone, and that there is a time limit on each route, the points deduction for every failed attempt, all those things. I was explaining those to these finalists here. You guys can take a closer look at the first finals route. The start is marked with two tapes, 1 foothold. The top is there, and the red sloper you guys see at the extreme right, that is the zone.
The time starts now. Yes, come on. Easy. Chal. Other side, come on. आराम से चल, साइड मत कर. अरे साइड कम ऑन. Three, two, one, time जाता है. Landing from right there, must come on. आले, come on. चल कोई time. Come on. चल, nice one. आले, come on. Nice. चलो. Nice one. Easy. Let's go. Nice. cheer for them. Come on. हाँ ओपनिंग हो गई है ना ये रूटीन वेरी गुड आले निदान बहुत बढ़िया कम ऑन नाइस Come on. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, come on, come on. आराम से Siddharth, come on, nice one, nice one, come on. Chal bro, focus, come on. Easy, easy, easy. नीचे की. Nice one, come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Last minute. You got it, come on. Chalo. Nice one. Come on. Easy, easy. Ale, come on. Yes. चलो आराम से nice one Ale nice come on hey nice चलो guys come on nice one Ale आराम से come on Ale guys come on cheer him up come on Ale guys come on so अच्छा सॉरी आता भी लगा Take off it and out to a chat. Nice one, Ali side. Come on. Judge. Last 1 minute. आराम से लास्ट 10 सेकेंड्स strong, चल आले go come on strong चल
Very good.
breathe Nice one, come on. संभाल आराम से. आराम से
And with that, the competition came to an end. A huge shout out to all the participants who came and climbed and made the event so amazing. Special thanks to Samir for being there to document the entire event, including photos, videos, especially the finals videos. Those were all taken by him. I wouldn't have done this event without these three guys. So special thanks to Karthik, Devansh, and Virat also. And let me know what you guys thought about this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.